I want to show you a bizarre Swift problem, what causes it and how to fix it, all in maybe 2 minutes flat. First we have this string here, flags of Canada and US. If I say, does that flag string contain the Canadian flag? The answer of course will be true, it's in there. If I say, does it contain the American flag? Of course the answer is also now true and true, yes Canada and yes US. If I say, does it contain the Australian flag? We should now get true, true, false. Canada, yes. US, yes. Australia, false. And yet, if I say, replace all occurrences of the Australian flag with the Nicaraguan flag and now run the code back, this will hurt your head. We get back from here China and Iceland, not Canada and US, even though we're replacing an Australian flag that's not in the string. The reason for this is because we use replacing occurrences of, that is an Objective-C method call. Behind the scenes, this string here is actually going to be CAUS. Canadian flag CA, US flag US. And in the middle of there is AU, which is the country code for Australia. So Swift won't see that because it sees the whole emoji. CA, one flag. US, one flag. Objective-C couldn't care less. YOLO. It sees AU inside there, replaces it with NI, the country code for Nicaragua, making China and Iceland. CNIS. The simple fix here is do not use this ropey old Objective-C method call. Use the modern Swift replacement instead, which is simply replacing Australian flag with Nicaraguan flag. It's less code. It's going to be faster code and it's safer code too, because that will always treat emoji correctly. That still prints correctly down here, Canada and US. Tell a friend to save a life.